Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the preview of my project. So let's get started. So here I'm using a fluid matte medium, and then this is like a mixed media paper, and I'm going to use some of these pattern paper, um, my jelly print paper, um, some of those different kinds of papers I'm using, and I'm going to do the collaging. I love collaging projects using the jelly print papers. So I'm using, this is my jelly print paper. I'm mixing all kinds of papers in this. So So I'm going to first put these uh, papers. Then I'm using this stamped deli paper. And then I'm using this deli paper, which I made it using the acrylic paint and scribbling on that. So I'm going to use that. Or you can even try with Posca pen and draw it on the deli paper and use it as like a pattern paper. Now I'm using a small pieces like scraps in certain areas. I'm using this neocolor and I'm going to color it. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button, turn the notification on. That way you will not miss my videos whenever I post it. Now I'm going to use different colors of neocolor crayons and I'm going to blend it. Now I'm going to dry everything and I'm going to use this stamp, and then I'm going to use different color of archival ink. Then I'm using this dotted stamp. Then this scribbling stamp. Then I'm using this kind of like a stripe stamp. Then I'm using this pen. I'm going to do the circles, and then I'm using the acrylic paint pen. Sometimes it's hard to write on the wax, the crayons, the watercolor, those watercolor crayons. They are a little bit waxy, so it's hard to use the pen and write on that. So now I'm going to splatter this white paint. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to um, put this focal point and finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. So please leave your comments and click on the like button. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.